Okay, let's say we have this Google documents here, Google Slides document, and we wanna use Pygame to watch it. How we can do it? Let's go and save these images as okay. We can no. Let's do another thing. Let's transform it in a PPTX file. Go into my Pygoint directory, save it here. Now let's open it, and now I'm gonna save it other formats, and I'm gonna save it into, let me see, where is PNG. Save it on every slide. Okay, now every slide has been saved, and I can close this. Let me now go in here. So here we got our slides. Let me call it images 01. So let me open one of these. Just wanna see what is the size of this thing. I'm gonna open one of these with a program like paint.net, and here see it's 960 and 540. So let me go into this code, 960 540, and I don't need this. Let me go back here. I get the images in images 01, so I'm gonna put this images 01 here before this, and any kind of thing that comes next. Let's see if it works. Um, there is something that I don't need inside of this. Okay, this thing here, I don't need this stuff into this program. Okay, good. The only thing I need to change is this. I need to put at 0, 0 here the coordinates of this one. There we go. And if I click, I can go through all the slides just forward, but I can easily implement how to go. So I can use Python instead of a PowerPoint or Google Slides to show. Let me see. I should go, and there are a lot of these images. Okay, and when it goes to the end, it goes back to the first one. Very good. So I could also implement here the click of the mouse, and yeah, so it works perfectly. And so if you want to use this instead of PowerPoint, you can use this way.